Hi, I am Serrano. I work with children and the adults. Um, I love this work since I can address a situation of the all age of the human being. This is a very good to be able to contribute positive in the life of people. This is a private school that can accommodate 300 students from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Large ring areas, pool and two soccer fields, one volleyball court. Because of the location of my house, it took me 30 minutes to get there. I have a work allowance of the 3 million pesos. My schedule is from 6:40 and until p.m. Thank you very much. Aha.